A loan of $370,000 amortized over 30 years, 7.3% annually. Our first task. Enter the details into the loan details table. That would be here. Principal $370,000. Years is 30. Annual rate is 7.3. That's already as a percent. Payments per year is 12. So 12 compoundings, 12 payments per year. That should be done. Calculate the payment amount in cell C9 here. Reference cells containing the loan information as the arguments of the function. So I have to reference these cells up here. And my payment should be a positive number. So equals PMT. The rate is the rate per period. So I need to take the 7.3 and divide it by 12, comma, number of periods is 30 times by 12, comma, present value, future value is 0, type is 0. That's my payment, but it's negative, and it should turn out to be positive. So I can do that by either putting a negative in front of the payment. Interest rate per period is annual rate divided by the number of payments per year, number of compoundings per year. Let's see, run out. Calculate the payment, done. Calculate the interest rate per period. Okay. Use the fill feature to enter the payment number in the amortization table from 1 to 360. So I think I should be able to do sequence function 360 rows should do it. We'll just make sure that the grading doesn't get thrown off by that. Reference the previous ending balance to set the beginning balance. Okay. Copy and paste down. We'll have zeros until I complete the table. Calculate the interest owed for payment 1. That will be reusable beginning balance times by interest per period, and I need to lock that one. Copy it down. All zeros. Okay. Reference the payment calculated in cell C9. Take the cell and lock it. Copy it down. Calculate the principal write down. Principal is payment less interest. Copy that down. And this is off because I haven't filled this in yet. Calculate the ending balance. Beginning balance less the write down. Copy that down, and now once that copies down, then these cells updated and verify that the balance is 0. Good. Calculate the total interest paid, and it doesn't say this for during the first 15 years of payments. It doesn't say it, but it wants a sum function. So let's do using a sum function. Sum of interest during the first 15 years is the first half, which would be down to row 180. Calculate the total interest over the life of the loan. And once again, this needs a sum function. And I agree that there are other ways to do that, but this is how it wants it. Total payments over 30 years would be the payment, equals payment times by 360, but they want everything to come from these loan details, so 30 times 12. Copy the data in the cells and paste it. into L6. Okay. From E6, E to J, and 6 to 365. Copy it and paste it. Suppose payment number 7 is skipped. So enter a 0 in the cell. Principal write down is negative all by itself. It doesn't have to be edited. Yes. In cell C16, balance owing after the 7th payment. That is Q12. Balance after the 360th payment should be Q365. Just make sure I got that right. Yes. Okay. Let's see how it went.